Hello everyone, welcome to another Foxtecc video, and in this one I'm going to be guiding you through the simple process of turning on your Magic Mouse. The Magic Mouse can be easily enabled and started, but there are a few steps to ensure it's done correctly. First and foremost, you need to make sure that the Magic Mouse is properly charged. This is crucial because without sufficient power, the mouse will simply not turn on. You can check the battery level by connecting it to your Mac via the lightning cable or by checking the battery indicator on your Mac or even the iPad. Once you've confirmed that the Magic Mouse is charged, the next step is to locate the small switch on the back of the mouse. Turn the mouse around and you'll see this switch. It is essential to flip this switch to turn on the mouse. You'll note that the mouse is turned on when you see a green color behind the switch. This green area indicates that the mouse is powered on and ready to be connected. With the switch turned on and showing green, your Magic Mouse is now discoverable. This means that your Mac or any other device can detect and pair with it. If it's a new pairing, you can go to your Mac's Bluetooth settings to connect the mouse. If it's previously paired, it should automatically reconnect. It's as simple as that. Ensuring your Magic Mouse is charged, locating the switch, and making sure it's on with a green indicator, which is supposed to be visible behind it. And these are the key steps to turning it on and getting it ready to be used. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Foxtecc for more videos like this one in the future. Make sure to do that, and I will catch you later on in the future. For now, as I said, thanks all for watching and see you guys later.